We've had a good walk this morning. We're now in Trump Tower, of all places. Whenever we're inside like a conservatory area, it's really warm in here. It's lovely. So we're just having 5 minutes rest and relaxation until we go probably to Central Park next. Have a nose around there. And my hat look, $5 hat. Yeah. Unbelievable. A hat cost me $5 and the other pretzel cost me $7. Work that one out.
It's incredible. Absolutely love it. Isn't it? On camera, it doesn't even look that tall. And it doesn't even look that tall when you look at it anyway.
Look the angle. There's the speed bus that we started.
Oh,
But he was trying to
right.
pull it. We're going there next. Come on, let's get going.